What is the deal, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. I hope y'all are having a wonderful, amazing day. As y'all saw yesterday, the M5 was super dirty. Did I clean it in yesterday's video? No. So today I'm making a whole video dedicated to cleaning the car, and there'll be a couple of other fun stuff in there. But this thing just got dirtier. Like, it literally just got like I don't know, like, obviously it's gonna get dirtier, but dang, it got dirtier. You know what I'm saying? Let me just show y'all. Like, bro, if I wanted terrible brake dust like this, I just would have stuck with AMG. I thought BMW had better brake dust than AMG, but obviously I don't have carbon ceramics. I need to get my money up. If I had carbon ceramics, this wouldn't be a problem. I need to get my money up for fun. Anyways, man. Now, anyways, I found a touchless wash. I've never been to, I've been to a couple of touchless washers. I don't know how they work or how good they are. So right now we are about to go to a touchless wash. I don't think it's gonna do that well, but I am gonna try because I don't know. But as y'all know, I do have all the stuff here to clean my car. So I really don't need to go to a touchless wash, but I do. But let me show you what literally the brake dust just destroys my driveway. Like, look at my driveway. All these black marks, this is all from the brake dust from the car. So I don't feel like pressure washing this every time after I clean the car. So instead, I'm gonna go to a car wash. So right now, I'm about to give y'all boys a cold start. Your boys and girls, because there's some girls that be watching my channel and I peep. So I'm about to give y'all a cold start. Hey, this camera look crazy. Y'all see the cut?
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the no.
You do. Anyways, I'm about to give y'all a cold start, and it's probably gonna hurt my ears, but if it's for y'all, I don't really care. Let's do it. Wasn't that bad. Well, it is safe to say I have an exhaust leak. Oh well. All right, y'all. This car wash is 46 minutes away, but with the power of teleportation, watch this. I was just thinking, how could I not give them a pool? So here's a pool. Oh my goodness, hold on, let's get them pops. Oh, speed limit 35. Going 33. Oh, the school right here. Should I stop? Y'all didn't know that, and I'm lying. All right, y'all, we have made it here to the touchless wash. Don't mind the crack in the windshield, bro. I'm gonna get it fixed, chill. But let's try to get in this touchless wash because I don't see how it even works. All right, y'all, so it is now later in the night. I just finished eating. I was so tired. I went to sleep earlier. Obviously, we're at my favorite place, the gas station. Where else would we be, man? I don't know how this vlog's gonna go. I'm probably just about to really do a POV after this, but I did get the car wash, y'all. Pete. I got that thing being clean machine, bro. I drove it a little bit earlier, so the wheels already got back dirty, but overall, That mug clean, boy. Oh my goodness, that boy look good. But we're gonna finish filling up the car and we're gonna get into this little POV drive. Oh, look at that, 26 bucks, 7 gallons. This is probably the cheapest it has ever cost us because I didn't let it get low. $26, 7 gallons. But without further ado, man, let's get into this little drive.
What's new, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. I did not know I was going to end up out here because right now I am in Borland. I shouldn't be out here. I ain't got no business out here. But as you can hear, man, they are sliding. So I'm about to try to get some content and some good footage for y'all. Have something to watch, bro. But it's ghetto as hell out here, so I'm trying to be careful. Then I had to park my car somewhere else. It didn't park it.
Nope.
Oh, shit. There you go. Whoa. Hey, you fucking that bitch up. He fucking that bitch up. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh. Hey, he turned that bitch up, didn't he? Oh, hey, he had that bit what? That was my bad. Hey, he had that bit. Yeah, he had that bit wide. Hey, this is not a takeover, bro. I don't condone a takeover, bro.